Welcome back to our channel, foodies. With the scorching heat of summer upon us, there's nothing more refreshing than indulging in some delicious cold desserts to beat the heat. Today we're taking you on a culinary journey through Africa, showcasing the top 12 cold treats that will not only cool you down, but also tantalize your taste buds. From creamy classics to exotic delights, get ready to discover a world of frozen goodness from the diverse continent of Africa. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this mouth-watering adventure. Number 1, Carcade Ice Pops. Our first stop on this frozen expedition brings us to Egypt, where we're diving into the refreshing world of Carcade Ice Pops, made from the vibrant hibiscus flower. These icy treats are bursting with tangy, floral flavors that provide the perfect relief from the scorching Egyptian sun. With a base of brewed hibiscus tea sweetened with a touch of sugar, these popsicles are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants, making them a guilt-free indulgence. Whether you're strolling through the bustling streets of Cairo or lounging by the majestic Nile, a Carcade Ice Pop is the ultimate summer companion. Number 2, Amarula Ice Cream. Next up, we're heading south to the picturesque landscapes of South Africa, where we discover the creamy delight of Amarula ice cream, named after the indigenous African fruit, the marula. This decadent dessert is a true taste of luxury, made from a base of rich, creamy vanilla ice cream, infused with the smooth, caramel-like flavors of Amarula liqueur. Each spoonful is a symphony of indulgence, whether enjoyed on its own or as a lavish topping to your favorite dessert. Amarula ice cream embodies the essence of South African hospitality and warmth, providing a cool escape from the African heat. Number 3, Sorrel Granita. Our journey through Africa continues as we venture to the sun-kissed island of Jamaica, where we encounter the refreshing allure of sorrel granita. Known locally as sorrel, this vibrant red flower is transformed into a delightful frozen treat that's perfect for cooling off on a hot summer's day. Infused with ginger, cloves, and a hint of citrus, sorrel granita tantalizes the taste buds with its tangy and aromatic flavors. Served in a frosty bowl, each spoonful offers a refreshing burst of Caribbean sunshine, making it a must-try dessert for anyone seeking relief from the summer heat. Number 4, Rooibos Tea Sorbet. From the lush plains of South Africa, we journey to the tranquil landscapes of the Western Cape, where we uncover the delightful simplicity of Rooibos Tea Sorbet. Known for its earthy and slightly sweet flavor, Rooibos tea is the star ingredient in this refreshing sorbet that captures the essence of South African hospitality. Infused with a touch of honey and a squeeze of lemon, each spoonful of Rooibos tea sorbet delivers a burst of cool, herbal goodness that's as soothing as a gentle breeze on a hot summer's day. Whether enjoyed as a palate cleanser between courses or as a light and refreshing dessert, Rooibos tea sorbet is a true taste of South African summer. Number 5, Mahalabia. Traveling north to the vibrant streets of Morocco, we encounter the exotic allure of mahalabia, a traditional milk pudding that's been enjoyed for centuries. Served chilled and garnished with a sprinkle of ground pistachios or a drizzle of rose water, mahalabia delights the senses with its creamy texture and delicate floral flavors, made from a base of milk, sugar, and cornstarch. This cooling dessert is a beloved treat during the hot summer months, offering a welcome respite from the scorching Moroccan sun. Whether enjoyed as a light and refreshing snack or as a sweet ending to a Moroccan feast, mahalabia is sure to transport you to the bustling souks and enchanting alleyways of Marrakech. Number 6, Mango Sorbet. Our journey through Africa takes us to the tropical paradise of Kenya, where we discover the irresistible allure of mango sorbet, made from the juicy and fragrant mangoes that thrive in the Kenyan sun. This frozen delight captures the essence of summer in every spoonful, bursting with sweet, tangy flavors and served in a frosty bowl. Mango sorbet provides a refreshing escape from the heat, making it a popular treat among locals and visitors alike. Whether enjoyed on its own or as a palate cleanser between courses, mango sorbet is the perfect way to indulge in the tropical bounty of Kenya's lush landscapes. Number 7, Coconut Ice. From the shores of Kenya, we sail across the Indian Ocean to the idyllic island of Mauritius, where we uncover the tropical delight of coconut ice. A beloved confection among locals, coconut ice is a sweet and refreshing treat that's as delightful to look at as it is to eat. Made from shredded coconut, condensed milk, and sugar, this creamy delicacy is cut into bite-sized squares and served chilled, making it the perfect snack for a hot summer's day. Whether enjoyed on the beach or savored in the shade of a coconut palm, coconut ice is a taste of paradise that will transport you to the sun-drenched shores of Mauritius with every bite. Number 8, Baobab Fruit Sorbet. Continuing our journey through the diverse landscapes of Africa, we arrive in the majestic plains of Tanzania, where we discover the unique and exotic flavors of baobab fruit sorbet, known as the tree of life. The baobab tree produces a fruit with a tangy and citrusy flavor that's perfectly suited for sorbet. Blended with sugar and water and frozen to perfection, baobab fruit sorbet offers a refreshing burst of tropical goodness that's as invigorating as an African safari, whether enjoyed as a palate cleanser or as a light and refreshing dessert. Baobab fruit sorbet is a true taste of Tanzania's natural bounty. Number 9. Bissap sorbet. Our frozen journey through Africa takes us to the vibrant streets of Senegal, where we encounter the vibrant and refreshing flavors of bissap sorbet, made from the dried hibiscus flowers that thrive in Senegal's tropical climate. Bissap sorbet captivates the senses, with its bold color and tangy sweet flavor. Infused with a touch of ginger and a hint of lemon, each spoonful offers a burst of refreshing goodness that's perfect for cooling off on a hot summer's day, whether enjoyed as a sweet treat after a spicy Senegalese meal or as a refreshing snack on the go. Bissap sorbet is a beloved dessert that captures the vibrant spirit of Senegal's culinary traditions. Number 10. Mfinesi ice cream. Our frozen odyssey through Africa takes us to the lush forests of Malawi, where we discover the unique and flavorful delights of Mfinesi ice cream, made from the bright green fruits of the Mfinesi tree. This creamy concoction is a beloved treat among locals, offering a refreshing escape from the sweltering heat. With a flavor that's reminiscent of pistachio and a creamy texture that's simply irresistible, Mfinesi ice cream is the perfect way to indulge in the natural bounty of Malawi's landscapes, whether enjoyed on its own or paired with fresh fruit. Mfinesi ice cream is a taste of tropical paradise that will transport you to the heart of Africa with every spoonful. Number 11. Decadent cake. From the lush forests of Malawi, we journey to the bustling streets of Ghana, where we uncover the sweet and nutty delights of Nkate cake, made from roasted peanuts and caramelized sugar. Nkate cake is a popular street food snack that's enjoyed throughout Ghana. Served chilled and cut into bite-sized pieces, this addictive treat offers a perfect balance of sweetness and crunch, making it the ideal dessert for cooling off on a hot summer's day, whether enjoyed on its own or paired with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Nkate cake is a taste of Ghanaian hospitality that will leave you craving more. Number 12. Pineapple ice lollies. Our frozen journey through Africa takes us to the tropical paradise of Nigeria, where we discover the juicy and refreshing delights of pineapple ice lollies, made from fresh pineapple juice and a touch of sugar. These icy treats are the perfect way to cool off on a hot summer's day, served on a stick and garnished with chunks of fresh pineapple. Pineapple ice lollies offer a burst of tropical flavor with every lick, making them a favorite among locals and visitors alike, whether enjoyed by the pool or on a leisurely stroll through the bustling streets of Lagos. Pineapple ice lollies are a taste of Nigerian hospitality that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And there you have it, foodies, our top 12 African cold desserts that are sure to beat the heat this summer. From the vibrant streets of Senegal to the sun-drenched landscapes of Sudan, each frozen treat offers a delicious glimpse into the diverse and flavorful culinary traditions of Africa. So whether you're craving the creamy indulgence of amarula ice cream or the tangy refreshment of tamarind sorbet, be sure to give these icy delights a try and experience the cool and refreshing flavors of Africa for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering culinary adventures. Until next time, happy eating!